Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify admin, secure fix step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Shopify admin, which is www.shopify.com/admin. Press the enter key to navigate to the login page. You will see fields for your email and password. In the first field, enter the email associated with your Shopify account. In the second field, carefully type your password. Double-check to ensure both the email and password are entered correctly. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email you registered with. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. If you have enabled two-step authentication, check your mobile device for the verification code. Enter the code in the appropriate field on the login page. Click the Submit button to proceed. After a successful login, you will be directed to the Shopify admin dashboard. If you encounter any issues, verify your internet connection. Consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies if the login fails. You may also try using an incognito or private browsing window. If problems persist, contact Shopify support for assistance. Always ensure your login information remains secure and private. Be cautious when using public or shared devices to access your Shopify account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.